Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use VLC Media Player to quickly convert video formats. So let's start by opening up VLC Media Player, and then once open, click on the media button at the top right of the toolbar. So here you're going to go to convert slash save, and now we can start adding our files. Going to click on this plus button, then I'm going to navigate to the file that I want to convert. This one is a .mov, and I want to convert it to an MP4 for easier use and compatibility. So I'm going to click on open, and then I'm going to click on convert slash save. And here it opens up this little convert window where we can change the profile of our output. So as I stated, I want to change it to an MP4. So that's what I'm going to select. Then I can select our destination. For ease of access, I'm going to put it on our desktop. Then I'm going to click on save. Gonna click this just to make sure. For some reason, it's on .avi right now. So let's go back to MP4. Okay, there we go. And it should be on MP4. Okay, so now that that is sorted out, I'm going to click on start to convert, and it's going to process in the background. You can see by the moving playhead. So once that's done, let's check out our desktop and look at our output file. So this is the .mp4 file, and this is the .mov file. So that's how you can use VLC Media Player to quickly convert video file formats. I hope you were able to learn something new and something useful, and thank you for watching.